Dear viewers, today we are in a small village in Pakistan near a brick factory. In this video, we will give you some information about brick making. A special type of clay is used for making bricks. Then slurry is prepared by adding water to the soil. The prepared clay is then poured into a mold shaped like a brick. The bricks are kept in the sun to dry. Workers lay long rows of bricks to keep count. From here, the dry bricks are taken to the basement of the factory. This is the initial part of the basement. And in the next parts, the process of baking the bricks starts by burning the fire. They also show you. From here, firewood etc. is put in the basements. There is a fire in the basements below. We cannot go there, but we show you the process above. Finished bricks are placed outside the basements and are ready for use.